Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to the Izzy Budgeting and Coupon Community. My name is Arceli. Very excited for you to be joining us today for some easy digital couponing deals at Walgreens. Now, if you are new to couponing at Walgreens, I encourage you to go watch my How to Coupon video to get the basic concept of couponing, as I combine stacking savings and utilizing rebate apps to maximize my savings. But first, some couponing tips to be mindful of. First tip: be organized and set a budget for your items that you're planning on shopping for. Tip number 2, don't forget to clip all digital coupons to your Walgreens app before heading to the store. And finally, understand the type of promotion and what rewards you'll be receiving, as you don't want to leave Walgreens without your savings or rewards. So let's go ahead and look at some quick and easy deals at Walgreens this week. In today's video, I'll be going over this week's deal starting April 23rd through April 29th. Now, I did receive a digital spend coupon for earn $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. Plus, don't forget to use the month-long digital coupons if you haven't used them yet, of earn $7 in Walgreens cash when spending $25 for either the allergy products or cosmetic products, as they are stacking together with the weekly digital spend coupon. So check to see what digital spend coupon you received this week and load it to your Walgreens account, as it is a one-time use. And also, it does vary by account, as not all accounts will receive a digital spend coupon. However, there's also a paper spend coupon that you can use to also earn Walgreens cash. And yes, the paper and the digital spend coupons do stack together, but you must use the pay now option on your Walgreens app to make this happen. And also, just a quick reminder of the P&G rebate: make sure that you're keeping your paper receipts for purchases made through June 30th, because it is allowing 2 submissions per household. So let's go ahead and start with a few deals of the week. Now remember, when you buy participating items, you'll earn a registry reward for that promotion, and you must do deals in separate transactions and must do them in store to earn that registry reward for each promotion. So many of the deals this week are deals from the previous week. So if you have what you need in products, it's okay to skip this week. However, if you're just beginning to learn how to coupon, this is actually a great week to try a deal or two. Especially on the Olay body wash. It's on sale again for $7 each and on promotion: buy 3 get a $5 registry reward. There is a $5 digital coupon available, so you'll pay $16 out of pocket, but you'll get back $5 registry reward from the promotion, a $4 registry reward for spending $20 in P&G products, plus check your Ibotta rebates for $6 back on specific products, making the final cost $1 or 33 cents each. And also, there are Ibotta rebates for specific Old Spice products, so make sure that you're scanning products in store to verify that they're qualifying for that rebate. Next, on Old Spice deodorants, they're on sale for 2 for $13 and on promotion: buy 3 get a $5 registry reward. There is a $5 off digital coupon, so your out of pocket after buying 3 is $14.50, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward, and there is an Ibotta rebate of $3 back, making the final cost of $6.50 or $2.16 each. Same deal, but pick up 3 secret deodorants instead. So after the $5 digital coupon applies, you'll pay $14.50 out of pocket, get back that $5 registry reward. No Ibotta rebate, so it's going to make the final cost here $9.50 or $3.16 each. Not the best deal, but I do have a spend scenario to help reduce the cost later on in the video. Next, Pampers deal. On sale 2 for $21 and on promotion: when you buy 3, you get a $5 registry reward. There is a $3 off digital coupon. Out of pocket is $28.50 when buying 3, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward from the promotion and $5 P&G rebate since your out of pocket is over $20, making the final cost $18.50 or $6.16 each. Next deal is actually a repeat deal: dental care for Crest Oral-B products, on sale for $3 each and on promotion: buy 2 get a $3 registry reward. There is a $3 off digital coupon. So you'll pay $3 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $3 registry reward, making these items free. Next deal on Venus products, on promotion: when you buy 2, you get an $8 registry reward. There are a couple of digital coupons available, one for $8 off and another one for $5 off. So you'll pay $11.98 out of pocket, but you'll get back that $8 registry reward and the $4 registry reward for P&G when spending $20, making these products free. This is an awesome deal here. I don't think I've seen it before. But then we have some additional repeat deals on oral care also. Burt's Bee Crest Scope promotion: when you spend $10, you get a $5 registry reward. So when you buy a Crest Active Repair toothpaste and Oral-B floss picks, there are 2 digital coupons available, one for $3 off and one $1 off. pay $6.98 out of pocket, but get back a $5 registry reward, plus there is a $2 back on Ibotta for the toothpaste, making the final cost free. Tom's toothpaste is on sale for $4.99 and on promotion, buy one, get $3 Walgreens cash. I did see a $1 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $3.99 out of pocket, but you'll get back $3 Walgreens cash, making the final cost 99 cents. Now, if you have extra registry rewards from last week, this would be a great promotion to roll the registry rewards and get back Walgreens cash. Up next, Gillette Shave Foam is on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and it's on promotion, buy two, get $4 registry reward. No digital coupons, but you'll pay $5.23 out of pocket for 2 items, but get back $4 registry reward, making the final cost $1.23 or 61 cents each. Next, Bulldog Shave Gel is on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and on promotion, buy two, get a $4 Walgreens cash. There is a $7 digital coupon available, so you'll pay $4.68 out of pocket for 2 items, but you'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making the final cost 68 cents or 34 cents each. Moving on to Bounty Charmin Dill, on sale for $5.99 each, and on promotion, buy 3, get a $3 registry reward. There are a couple of 25 cents off digital coupons available, so you'll pay $17.47 out of pocket for 3 items, but you'll get back $3 registry reward, making the final cost $14.47 or $4.82 each. Another repeat deal this week is on the Dove body wash, on sale $7 each, and on promotion, buy 2, get a $4 in Walgreens cash. There is a $7 off digital coupon available, so you'll pay $7 out of pocket, but you'll get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making the final cost $3 or $1.50 each. Or if you prefer the Dove soap bars, they're on sale for $9 each. The $7 digital coupon will apply here, so you'll pay $11 out of pocket, but you'll get back $4 Walgreens cash, making the final cost $7 or $3.50 each. Moving on to medicine and treatment items. First up, Icy Hot is on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and on promotion, buy 2, get a $5 registry reward. There is a $2 off digital coupon, so you'll pay $9.43 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward from the promotion, and $2 from coupons.com for the second item that didn't have a coupon, so it's going to make your final cost $2.43 or $1.21 each. Next, Aspercreme is on sale, buy one, get one 50% off, and on promotion, buy 2, get a $5 registry reward. There is a $2 off digital coupon available, so you'll pay $14.48 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward, plus you'll earn 1,500 kicks from ShopKick for specific products. So again, make sure you're scanning the items in store to verify that they're qualifying. And so that's going to make your final cost $3.48 or $1.79 each. Moving on to a few miscellaneous and online deals. Now, for weeks where I know that I'm not going to do any of the weekly promotions, I will actually check out the food items, except for dairy products, and see if the prices are lower than my normal grocery store, and use my spend digital coupon to help save on my grocery bill overall. Starting off with the Nature Valley, it's on sale for 2 for $6. There is a digital coupon for 50 cents off, so I'll pay $5.50 out of pocket, and I'll submit it to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making the final cost $5 or $2.50 each. Up next, Cheez-It is on sale, buy one, get one free, making the final cost $3 or $1.50 each. Oscar Mayer bacon is on sale 2 for $10 or final cost $5 each. Here's where I would use extra register rewards or Walgreens cash to help reduce the cost. And Planter peanuts are on sale 2 for $5, and there is a $1.50 digital coupon available, making the final cost $1.50 or $1.75 each. And pistachios is on sale for $6.99, and there is a $1 off digital coupon, making the final cost $5.99. Next, an online deal for Walgreens bath tissue, on sale for $3.99, but after the online discount applies, it's going to make the final cost $3.19. And finally, here are a couple of scenarios on how I'm going to use my digital spend coupon of earn $7 when spending $25. So I've combined the secret promotion and added a Crest Active Repair toothpaste to help meet the $25 spend requirement. After the 2 coupons apply, I will pay $18.49 out of pocket, but I'll get back a $5 registry reward for the secret promotion, $4 P&G registry reward, $2 back from Ibotta for the toothpaste, and the $7 Walgreens cash for the digital spend coupon, making the final cost 49 cents for all 4 products. or if you want to combine the secret promotion with the Oral-B promotion to help meet the $25 spend requirement. After the 2 digital coupons apply, you'll pay $17.50 out of pocket, but you'll get back a $5 registry reward for the secret promotion, $3 registry reward for the Oral-B promotion, $4 P&G registry reward, and the $7 Walgreens cash for the digital spend coupon, making the final cost free for all 5 products. Awesome, awesome deal. So these are the deals that I'm looking to do at Walgreens this week. And don't forget to scan in your receipts to the rebate apps after each couponing trip. That way your rebate money is ready to use for your next shopping or couponing trip. So I'm going to end my video here. Feel free and leave me a comment down below what deals you are interested in and will be doing this week. And if you like these type of videos, please click on the like, subscribe, and notification bell for future videos. And also, please share my videos as this will help reach other individuals who are interested in learning how to coupon. Thanks everyone. Bye.